Greetings. It is December 1st, 2021. Just a quick view of Under the Wings, Tolerance, Human Rights, Holocaust Education Art Series Artwork 73, which I did recently, now framed. Kurt Huber was a German philosophy and musicology professor in Germany. He aligned himself with the White Rose Resistance Group, which is fairly low-level resistance, distributing leaflets criticizing the Third Reich government. And he was tried, convicted of treason, and executed in 1943. So I've given him one metaphoric wing. And there are a considerable number of allegorical sea monsters surrounding him in the portrait there. These three being the largest. And then there's only others there. All right, there you have it. The neighbor sounds like he's electric drilling or sawing. Over here we have budgies, parakeets, budgerigars, as we call them. All right.